Okay, now we are in Brusubi, going near the Turntable, and then we'll enter into the Senegambia. The area where there's a lot more development and it's a lot more populated. What's that GNPC bank? What is that building? What building is that?
I think Ministry of Energy, something like that.
Oh, energy building. Okay. Okay. So we are now at the Turntable. This is Friday, so it's half a day for everybody. So the traffic is not as bad. It appears. Still traffic, but not as bad. So I'm gonna go to one of the little restaurants and bakeries or something to see if I can get on their internet and try to do some work, downloading some videos so I can get to my Gambian travel.